Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Dropbox Sync uses a local folder that mirrors your cloud storage. The Dropbox desktop app watches changes and transfers only modified blocks to save bandwidth. When you create or edit a file, it uploads to the cloud and then downloads to other linked devices, keeping timestamps and versions. Selective Sync and Smart Sync let you keep some folders online only or local to manage disk space. You can pause sync, view transfer rates, and see file status icons in the system tray. Download and install the Dropbox desktop app for Windows or Mac OS from the official site, then run the installer and grant file system permissions when prompted. Sign in with your Dropbox account or create one, choose whether to use the default Dropbox folder or pick a custom path, and select folders to sync with Selective Sync. This decides which folders appear locally. Finally, set bandwidth limits if needed, enable Dropbox to launch at startup, and confirm Smart Sync preferences so online-only files do not consume disk space. To manage active syncing, use the Dropbox icon in the system tray or menu bar to pause or resume transfers and view current transfer rate and queue. Pausing helps during heavy uploads or limited bandwidth. If a file conflict occurs, Dropbox creates a conflicted copy. Open both files, choose the correct version, and delete or rename the extra copy to avoid duplicates. For recovery, visit the Dropbox website to restore deleted files or roll back to previous versions, and check account storage limits if syncing stops due to space constraints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.